Hey guys, it's Kay. Of course, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a wig I was sent from Julia's Hair. Just in case any of you guys are interested, I'm going to go ahead and leave all the links in my description box. So let's hop into this wig because I actually like it and it's a long, cute little wig. So first, before I get started, this is what the wig came in. And this is a 20-inch body wave textured wig. It is a 5x5 and it's HD lace as well. So the knots did not come bleached, but the hairline did come pre-plucked. The only thing I did to this wig was bleach the knots. I did not pluck the hairline. Go ahead and show you guys what the wig looks like. Now, because I bleached the knots, I went ahead and washed the hair, of course. This is what the wig looks like, and this is how long it is. It's really long and nice. The quality of the hair is a nice quality. Let me come up close so you guys can see what the hairline looks like. So this is what the hairline looks like. Again, I did go in and bleach the knots, and I feel like that's basically all you have to do when it comes to this wig. You don't really have to put in too much work, but I will recommend bleaching the knots. I mean, you can always add your concealer or finishing powder into the part if you want to. If you like not a pro at bleaching knots or you just don't feel like it, definitely go in with some powder, finishing powder or concealer. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Hold on. And this is what the hairline is looking like. I did not pluck the hairline. That's how it came, which I felt like it was okay. You can go in and pluck it some more if you wanted to, but honestly, I feel like it's fine just the way it is. You have the construction, which is the two combs on the side, and you have a comb in the back with some lace and the adjustable straps. Alright y'all, so this is what the wig looks like on with the lace still on. I might change my wig cap into a black one because you can see the wig cap underneath, but for the most part, this is what it looks like. This is the hairline. I'm actually going to go in with my Got2b glue just because it is a tad bit too big for my head. Y'all know I got that small miniature head. I decided to change my wig cap and I also to black, and I also decided I'm going to use my Got2b glue freeze spray because it is a little big. This is a pretty simple wig. I don't think that I'm going to even add any baby hair or anything like that. I do think that I'm going to, and this is what the hairline is looking like, I do think that I'm going to add some finishing powder, like my bronzer that I use to bronze my face, just along this hairline, and then put some concealer in the pot because I did lose that brightness from changing my wig cap from a nude wig cap to a black wig cap. So